Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have July's Goddess Provisions. Would you like to see what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so July's Goddess Provisions box just arrived. Let's go ahead and get this baby open and see what we have. Let me turn my hand so no one goes crazy. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. Card is still on the bottom. So let me go ahead and dump all of these products out to get to this card right here. All right, you guys. So this is what the front of the card looks like right now. It has some cactus and the monthly mantra: I embark on my spiritual journey with a vision of my soul's ultimate oasis. That is really pretty. And then on this side, it does go over the items and the pricing. So let's go ahead and just start with what's now on top, which was the bottom, is this right here. So let me remove this so we can take a look at it and see what we have here. So this is a Elena Gabrielle Desert Tapestry. Oh, so hence the little cactus on the front. So that must be going with their theme. So here is the tapestry. It looks kind of like a bandana. So there's that guy. And this right here says, decorate your space with this essence of the desert. This design honors the symbolic plants and animals of Joshua Tree and is screen printed on 100% natural cotton with water-based inks. This is valued at $22, and you can use code HelloGoddess to save 25% off at elenagabrielle.com, ELANAGABRIELLE.com. So here is the first item right there, valued at $22. Okay, so then next we have is Sun and Swell Foods Date and Cashew Cookies. Double cocoa. Let me show you that. So it feels like there's two of them in there. So this is valued at $2.50. You can use coupon code Goddess Provisions to save 15% off sunanswellfoods.com. So there is this item right there. Let's see what this looks like because I'm intrigued. What kind of date and cashew cookie is going to be in here? Oh boy. So that's what it looks like right there. It doesn't smell appealing. I don't know, it smells like soy sauce. I'm gonna let that sit right there. It's edible, but it's just not my cup of tea. I really need something to wash that down. So let's move right along. The next item right here says Desert Lover. Use for visions of love. Rose quartz awakens the heart to allow one to truly give and to receive love from others. Made with organic cedar wood, cruelty free. So that's what that looks like. And you can tell that there's like a different layer in there. The top has a different, like more of a clear, and then the bottom is a solid color. But there's that. And this right here says Crystal Bar Soap Desert Lover Bar. Crystal Bar Soap Desert Lover Bar. Purify your body, heart, and soul with this desert-inspired soap that's made with natural colon? Not colon, like I don't know, Kaolin. I'm not sure. Rose clay and the warm scent of cedarwood. Finding the rose quartz inside is like discovering your own personal oasis. So that's, oh, I see it. So there's actually a rose quartz. You can see right here underneath my finger, there's actually a rose quartz inside of it. That's awesome. I'm gonna just shit in my teeth. Hold up. Okay, I think I'm good. Okay, but there is a rose quartz in there. I love when there's like a soap or a candle, and when you get to the bottom or you get to a certain point, you discover a crystal inside. So I really, really like that. This is valued at $9. You can use coupon code GODDESS20 to save 20% off at crystalbarsoap.com. So going right along, we have this brush. First thing that comes to mind, looks like a horse brush to me. Looks like something you would brush a horse with. It says dry brush. It says care instructions. Add 3 drops of tea tree oil in a shallow bowl of water. Place the brush bristles down in the water, swish it around, and let it soak for 5 minutes. Repeat with a fresh bowl of water and rinse, and then place the brush bristles down on a towel to dry. So I guess that's how you clean it. And it says that it's a dry brush made with beechwood and cactus plant bristles. And the top has an engraving. The top says, awaken your skin to enlighten your soul. And it has it has a sun and a cactus on there to go with their whole little theme. So that is really, really cute. I like how they're going with the whole little desert vibes and everything pretty much matches. So there's this dry brush. And it says Goddess Provisions Dry Brush. Okay, so this would be their product that you can probably purchase on their website as well. I'm not sure if they do have it on there, but they do have items you can purchase from their site. It says this vegan dry brush is made with beechwood and natural cactus plant bristles to exfoliate your skin, eliminate toxins, and increase circulation. Enliven your skin to awaken your soul. Learn how at goddessprovisions.com/dry brushing, valued at $11. So it's for your body. I was thinking it was like a hairbrush. You have a dry brush to help circulation and all that good stuff. So there you go. Now we have is this right here in this roller ball. This is a cheeky Botanica high desert roll-on, and that's what that looks like. It says, connect to the spirit of the desert when you apply this essential roll-on blend that is made with hand-harvested herbs, including white sage, purple sage, and mugwort. And this is valued at $24. You can use coupon GODDESS to save 25% off at cheekybotanica.com. So it's a little roller ball. Let's see. Oh, that's okay. When I say it smells like essential oils, it doesn't really smell like anything good. It just smells like essential oils. This one actually has a really good scent. I'm picking up like on an orange citrusy scent. So I really actually like this one. This one is definitely doable. I like it. It says wild crafted roll-on oil blend, organic sunflower oil, organic apricot kernel oil, white sage, purple sage, essential oils, and grapefruit and cedarwood, flower essence, a bouquet of wild crafted botanicals, coverage to transport you to the magic of the California high desert. You know, I'm a California girl true to heart, even though I'm currently living in a Florida world. So I love that. So then next we have is this right here. It looks like this little bag, and it's really cute. It does have suns and desert on it with the moon phase on the top. This right here says, this is a Goddess Provisions essential oil pouch. Oh, okay. It says carry your favorite essential oils with you in this custom organic cotton pouch that features interior pockets for your favorite blends and a cute desert print, valued at $33. So this is definitely by Goddess Provisions. There's their logo right there. So when you open it up, okay. So there's the little hole so you can just stick your essential oils in. And I might use it for like all of these because I do have a big thing of my small essential oils. So I think I might use these for like my roller balls or something. But that's really neat because then you can just stick your essential oils down, kind of have them in little pockets. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets, and then a big opening in the bottom. And then there's how wide the bag goes. So that is really neat to keep at least your favorite oils with you at hand. That's really neat. And I like the little container because it's all going with the same desert vibes. So then the last item would be, of course, the Desert Rose Crystal. This is valued at $3. This stone enhances a third eye vision. There's that. Perseverance and confidence to succeed. Work with this stone when faced with obstacles to stay focused on your goals so that you can realize your dreams. And then there also is a Desert Rose meditation digital bonus that's valued at $33. It says access insights into the deep clarifying medicine of the desert and practice a beautiful meditation that will help you connect with your higher vision and the wisdom of your heart. So you do have that digital download that's added to the value. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. I will put the grand total of the retail box value right here for you guys. That is the total of everything added up for this month, including the digital bonus. So a quick recap, we have the Desert Rose Crystal, of course, going with the desert theme. We have a high desert roll-on that smells really good and citrusy. We have an essential oil bag that's really neat. We have the Desert Lover soap bar with a crystal inside. We have the not so, I'm not sure about, with the date cashew cookie. I mean, at least you get to try it. You might be, somebody might like it. It's just not my flavors and the texture. I just didn't really care too much for. You have this brush right here to use for circulation and to help scrub your bate. And then you have this guy right here. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. What did you think of the theme? What did you think of the products this month? I always really love this box because then I get new things to try out. I'm still learning myself. I don't really know a whole lot about this, but it definitely has intrigued me for almost my whole life that I can remember. So that is why I'm getting all these things, so I can learn as I go. So there you go. If you want to know a little bit more about Goddess Provisions, they give you 5 to 7 full-size products per box, typically valued anywhere from $80 to $100 of Goddess goodies, which most of the time it's even over $100, but that's what they have it at, 80 to 100 on average or higher. Free shipping to the United States. They do ship worldwide. It is $15 for Canadian and $25 for international. It's $33 per month, or you can get it as low as $27.75 if you go with the full 12-month prepaid membership. And every single box is always vegan and cruelty-free. Everything inside the box is every single month, every single product is always going to be vegan and cruelty-free. You can pause or cancel at any time, and you're going to get an assortment of crystals, aromatherapy, beauty, spiritual growth tools, superfood snacks, teas, things like that. And I really like the different things that we get from this box, and I like the different themes and how they stick to everything with the theme, which I really do enjoy it. And I will have their link down below if you would like to follow that to check them out, and they do sell individual items on their site as well. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.